Heidi is new to the slopes. When it comes to the ski world, she's still just a puppy. But she's training to become a full-fledged Avalanche rescue dog, where it will be her job to keep skiers safe. One day, Heidi will have the skills to take on black diamonds, and maybe even drop into the backcountry. Until then, she's happy sticking to the greens and bunny hills. Heidi definitely has some time before she goes pro. But out here, there's plenty of room, even for the puppies. This is Heidi's domain.